Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a SheGlam swatches to share with you. This is from two separate collections, the Cosmic Come Up collection and the Live to Roam collection. And don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional Shein and SheGlam links. There's a bunch of them and links to Shein's website. So let's get started. Cosmic Come Up collection, I'm going to review it first. I have used the palette and the lipsticks in this collection several times now. Can do a full review on them. So to start with the Alien Mood palette, this is a fantastic formula, best palette they've come out with so far in my personal opinion. All the ones that I've tried. The mattes are creamy and the metallics are out of this world. They're super pigmented eyeshadows, easy to work with. They blend flawlessly. Minimal fallout, no staining, and the palette gets extra points also because it has inner corner shades, lid shades, transition, and crease shades, outer corner shades, and even a brow highlighter. The palette is amazing. Highly recommend it. Next up is the Cosmic Come Up High Beam Mini Matte Lipsticks. These are small and cute. The lid does come off really easily, so I wouldn't recommend carrying them in your purse. It's a creamy formula. It's not long wearing because they do smear and wipe off easily. Two real mattes and two creamy shades that are not really matte but just regular lipsticks. I would not consider those a true matte, but two real mattes in the collection here. They are pigmented and they do apply easily, and they are not harsh or drying on the lips, and they are very easy to remove. The SheGlam Live to Roam collection. The Live to Roam Get Going cream eyeliner. It's creamy and glides on pigmented nude eyeliner, perfect for the waterline to brighten your eyes up and give you that awake look. Once set, it doesn't budge and it lasts in the waterline all day long. Great eyeliners from SheGlam. The gel ones are phenomenal. Live to Roam Epic Adventure Liquid Lipstick. This lipstick is very pigmented. It's a beautiful nude matte lip, and once it's set, it won't budge. The formula is great. It lasts throughout the day, and it is a bit difficult to remove. It is a true matte, long-lasting liquid lipstick. It's not drying or uncomfortable on the lips, and super duper cute packaging. The SheGlam Live to Roam eyeshadow palette. This palette has amazing packaging. It's super cute. Very cute packaging. It's a trifold palette. It has a magnetic clasp in there as well as this beautiful hardware on it. I have not used this palette on my eyes yet. This palette, just upon swatching it and looking at it, the shades in this palette remind me of the Urban Decay Naked palette. The shades are very creamy. They swatch beautifully. There is 1 shimmer shade to 7 matte shades. And just like the Alien Mood palette, this palette has a brow highlighter, outer corner shades, lid shades, transition shades, crease shades, all the shades that you would want to complete a full look using one eyeshadow palette, which I think is amazing. So overall, I'm liking this palette so far and can't wait to use it on my eyes. The swatches are beautiful, nice and creamy and pigmented, not chalky at all, or 7 of them being mattes. The shimmery shadow is a very basic nude shimmery metallic shade, but it's beautiful as well. Well, that has been my SheGlam Cosmic Come Up and Live to Roam swatches and mini reviews. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and will stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.